Namaskaram. My name is Akshara Ramji and I am learning from Srimati Ramya Srinivasan. Today I will be singing Koduvega Divyamati in the Tanam Adi and set in the Ragam Hamsapati. Koduvega Divyamati Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Nridahari Haya Mugara Odayade Ninnaya Nridahari Haya Mugara Odayade Ninnaya Adigalige Raguve Brahmana Rani Adigalige Raguve Brahmana Rani Adigalige Raguve Brahmana Rani Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Akila Vidyabhimani Ajana Patanarani Akila Vidyabhimani Ajana Patanarani Sukhavitupali Se Sujana Shiromani Sukhavitupali Se Sujana Shiromani Patita Pavane Katiyendu Nammide Patita Pavane Katiyendu Nammide Sadata Shri Purandara Vittalana Dore Sadata Shri Purandara Vittalana Dore Sadata Shri Purandara Vittalana Dore Koduvega Divyamati Saraswati Koduvega Divyamati Divyamati Divyamati. Thank you.